Hi, my name is Uttara. I'm here to tell you a story today. The story of my auto uncle, Uncle Natesh Auto. Are you ready to listen to the story?
Uncle Natesh Auto. Natesh uncle is a kind old man. Can you see Natesh uncle here? He has a green and yellow auto. This is Uncle Natesh's auto. What other colors have you seen autos in? He picks me up and drops me to school every day. Some of us come by walk, some of us come with our parents on a bike, right? Uncle Natesh picks me up in his auto and drops me at school. He comes outside my house and blows his horn. Beep, beep. This means I have to come out and get into the auto. I love to go in the auto. My parents also like Natesh uncle very much because he is kind and he takes care of me. Thank you.